second number lesson, our natural and cultural heritage. So in the last video we had learned the painting point. Now we are going to learn next point is of dance. So this of dance, it is also kind of heritage. So let us learn. Dance forms in India are broadly categorized into classical and folk style. So dance forms in India are broadly categorized. So those categories are classical style and folk style. The two styles are there of dances. So classical means Shastriya Nritya, we are saying in Marathi, and folk dance, it is of Lok Nritya in Marathi. So those two kinds of dance or type of dance we are going to learn now. So first one, classical dance we are going to learn. Classical dances were earlier either performed in temples as a form of worship or in a royal court for recreation. So classical dance were earlier either performed in temple. So that type of dance, it is performed in the temple for the worship of God. So front of God the dance is going to perform, that is called a classical dance. Again in the royal court, means king's court, with all the kings and his assistants where enjoy the dance form, it is called a classical dance, and that is for recreation. Recreation means for amusement purpose, that dance form is going to perform these two way. First one is in the temple and second one is a royal's court. Next, some of the major classical dances of India and their home states are listed in the following table. So there are some major classical dances in India and their home states, means there are different states have a particular classical dance form that we are going to know in the table given below. So let us know about it. That is a table, there is a classification of it, classical dance and its states, means that particular classical dance form is famous for this particular state. First one, Bharatnatyam is a classical dance form and it is famous of Tamil Nadu state. Second number, classical dance form of Odissi, it is famous of Odisha state. Next, classical dance form of Kathakali, it is famous in Kerala state. Then Mohiniyattam, it is of classical dance form and it is famous in the state of Kerala. Next, Kathak, this is a classical dance form and it is famous in North India state. Then next, Kuchipudi, it is famous in Andhra Pradesh state. And last one, Manipuri, that classical dance is famous of Manipur state. So those classical dance forms, it is famous in this particular states given. Then you can look, this is a part of Bharatnatyam dancer. She is performing the Bharatnatyam dance. Then Kathakali dance performance we can look here. That is of Kathakali, different type of dresses and makeup we can look in this dance form. Now next page, some of the famous classical dancers of India are. There are some famous dancers are there in India, those who are performing classical dance form. The name of that dancers: Sonal Mansingh, Pandit Birju Maharaj, Malika Saraibai and Uday Shankar. Those are the famous dancer in classical dance form. Now next point, that is of folk dance. Lok Nritya, we are saying in Marathi. Let us know about folk dance. Folk dances are usually performed during festivals. So usually that folk dances are performed during festivals, harvest time, means harvest festival time also performing, and marriages. So marriage time that folk dance is going to play by people from the community, and that is of folk dance always performed by a particular group. Some folk dances of India are listed in the dot. Some folk dances of India are listed in the table given below. So there are some folk dances are given below in the table. Let us learn folk dance and its states. So first one, Garba and Dandiya. That folk dance, it is a famous of Gujarat state. Next, Ghumar folk dance, it is famous of Rajasthan state. Next, Bhangra and Gidda, it is a famous of Punjab state. Then Bihu is folk dance and it is a famous of Assam state. So those are folk dances and it's performed in the particular states, and it is a famous dance form in this state. Now examples are given here. Examples of tribal dances include, so there are some tribal dances, means there are some group dances, or in Marathi we can say Adivasi Nritya, perform in the particular states and particular places again. Those are as like that. Gaur Maria of Madhya Pradesh. Gaur Maria is a tribal dance form, means group dance. Gaur Maria, it is performed in Madhya Pradesh. Then next one, group dance is, or tribal dance is, Panti of Chhattisgarh. The next dance form, Gotipua, and it is performed of Odisha. Then Tangta of Manipur. Tangta dance form, that is also tribal dance form and famous dance form of Manipur. And last one, Changlo. This tribal dance form, it is also famous in Nagaland. So those dance forms are famous for different places, and there is a lot of value for these dance forms. The people, those are doing, performing the dance form very enthusiastically, and while those are performing, they were very happy. So next point we are going to learn in the next video, that is of music. Thank you. Have a nice day.